Hi friends, it's my class 20. Singly reinforced beam. Limit state method. Consider a rectangular singly reinforced beam reinforced with AST area of steel. We know about the neutral axis, strain and stress diagram. Total compression in concrete is equal to 0.36 FCK BXU max. XU. We know that FCK is the characteristic strength of concrete. Divide by 1.5, that is 0.446 FCK is allowed to the topmost fiber of the beam. From figure C, 3 by 7 XU below top of the fiber to 0.002 strain. Maximum strain is 0.0035. Strain in steel is 0.87 Fy by Es. Total compression in concrete is equal to 0.36 FCK BXU, B breadth of the beam. XU or XU max is the depth of neutral axis. D is the depth of the beam. Distance from fiber from NA when strain 0.002 is XU by 0.0035 into 0.002 is equal to 4 by 7 XU. Maximum depth of neutral axis XU max by D is equal to 0.0035 by 0.0055 plus 0.87 Fy by Es. It is from similar triangles of strain diagram. Values of different Fy can be calculated. Page 70 of code. Note IS 450. Note code IS 456 2000. XU max is from top fiber, it is 0.416 XU max to centroid of the stress block. That is, the compressive force is acting from top of the beam to 0.416 XU max, and steel force, tensile force is acting in the middle of from the center of the reinforcement. It is 0.87 Fy. Total force of compression. We know the derivation of the formula. 0.36 FCK BXU. Lever arm D minus 0.416 XU max or XU. Distance between centroid of compressive force and centroid of tensile force is called a lever arm. Hence, upper limit of moment of resistance mu lim is equal to 0.36 FCK BXU max into lever arm, that is T minus 0.42 into XU max. The tensile reinforcement percentage PT lim corresponding to mu lim equating force of tension and compression. PT lim BD into 0.87 Fy by 100 is equal to 0.36 FCK BXU max. Singly reinforced beam. Mu lim is equal to CZ or TZ. C total compressive force, Z lever arm. T total tensile force, Z lever arm. Mu lim is equal to 0.36 FCK BXU max into D minus 0.416 XU max, and TZ 0.87 Fy AST D minus 0.416 XU max. Substitute for XU max in equation 1, that is 0.36 FCK BXU max is equal to 0.87 Fu AST. Substitute for XU max, we can find AST can be calculated. Mu lim by BD square for different values of Fck and Fy can be calculated and tabulated. To find Xu max or IST, find the formula. Mu lim is equal to 0.36 Fck B Xu max into D minus 0.42 Xu max. Xu max is equal to 0.87 Fy AST by 0.36 Fck B. AST is equal to Xu max into 0.36 Fck into B by 0.87 Fy, equating total compression to total tension. Moment of resistance. Mu lim 0.87 Fy AST into D minus Fy AST by Fck B. AST can be calculated by solving the quadratic equation. Mu lim is given. Thank you.